Hi guys, a big hi to each and every one of you. This is Anukriti Sharma, your commanding communication coach and mentor, and today I've decided to address this series of questions. And I keep getting questions from my students and my clients all the time. So I've decided to name this series as the million bucks you, or the million bucks me for that matter, because I strongly believe that in life all of us are designed to create wonders. All of us are born for achieving success, for achieving our inner greatness, and all of us are born to go through all these life opportunities and become the best version of ourselves. All of us have a purpose to fulfill on this planet, and I believe that each and every soul's highest purpose is service to humankind. And for that matter, I am today going to address one of the most important questions which I get asked from my students all the time. And the question is, why should we be on camera? Like, Anukriti, why do you insist that we record ourselves on camera? And whenever you give us a task or a challenge, why do you want us to record our stories and our experiences and our takeaways on camera? Why do you want us to communicate with our listeners and our audience through the camera most of the time? Like, many people will come to me and they will say कि क्या ज़रूरत है मुझे कैमरे पे आके बात करने की, क्या ज़रूरत है, मैं ऐसे भी तो किसी से बात कर सकती हूँ या कर सकता हूँ, मुझे कैमरे पे बात करने की क्या ज़रूरत है. And so today I've decided to really address this question. There's a very old saying, and the saying goes like this: a picture is worth more than 1,000 words. Now, you can imagine that if a picture is worth more than 1,000 words, please try to understand the kind of impact that you can leave and the kind of influence that you can have on your audience if you can convincingly and with confidence convey your message to your audience through the camera. Just imagine the amount of impact and influence that you can leave on your audience if you can speak confidently to them through the camera. And I believe that all of us have something or the other to share with each other. All of us have some value to add, some contribution to make in each other's lives, because all of us are coming through our life journey. We have gone through so many life experiences and we have so many stories, life stories to share with each other, because all of us have earned our maturity through all that life has thrown at us. We've become mature because of all those life experiences, and we have so much to share. It could be small, it could be big, it could be something really life changing for that matter. Or, if nothing else, we might just want to communicate with each other through the camera to, for example, build our confidence, or to become a lot less conscious with regards to what we think about ourselves when we are speaking, a lot less conscious of how we feel we are coming across to people, what our body language is coming across as in front of people. So many of us, so many of my students, I see that they are so conscious of themselves all the time that they really sabotage their public speaking and their overall effective communication skills. They're constantly in their head thinking about how they are coming across to people, how they are behaving, how they are talking, how they are moving, standing, sitting, how they are conducting their overall body language in general by and large. So, if you want to boost your confidence and become a lot less conscious with regards to what you think of yourself, if you want to become a lot less conscious with regards to how you are coming across to people when you speak, or how you're coming across to people when you are conducting your body in a certain way. All of you, if you want to become a lot less conscious with regards to how you're coming across to people in terms of your overall body language, the way you sit, the way you walk, the way you stand, the way you use your hand gestures, your facial expressions, your eye contact, the way you're conducting your entire body and your body language in front of people while you are communicating with them. And if you really want to drop your inhibitions, and if you genuinely want to connect with your listeners and your audience at a human level, at a heart to heart level, at a soul to soul level, if you want to be able to do that through your genuine energy and your genuine emotion, then you want to drop those inhibitions. And I believe, it's my firm belief, that one of the most fantastic ways of doing that is to start using that camera right away. Look into that lens of the camera and start communicating effectively with your audience right away through the camera. One of the most fantastic ways to shed your inhibitions, become a lot less conscious of yourself, and really, really boost your confidence. So, all the best.